Welcome to MarineMax Rogers. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 2026 310 SLX from Sea Ray. Let's hop inside and check out some of my favorite features. Stepping aboard the 310, you'll see a nice rear swim bed, as well as a great walkthrough that is fully sea-decked. Large U seating with the nice table. We do have a sunroof, as well as a extended shade that can cover the entire swim bed in the back. Double co-captain chair with bolster, double captain's chair. Another awesome feature on this 310 is the position that they have the joystick. You are able to face backwards, control the joystick, and see through the walkthrough to the back corner for when you're backing into a slip or in tight areas. It's very nice. Large head area and a huge bow area. There is a filler cushion or table that can go up here, making this a nice area to lay out. Come on down to MarineMax Rogers and check out this brand new 310 SLX.